Hello folks, welcome to the Trauma to Transformation workshop. And I'm Rob Bruce, the guy who's going to be talking during this, therapist and all that. I am at the top of Summit Lake Mountain in the Northern Rockies of British Columbia. And what an incredible perspective that we got here, hey? On top of the world. And that's what I'm hoping to bring as a result of the workshops, the 4 workshops that you'll be watching. Let's just pan back a little bit while I finish up here. Quickly, our perspective in who we are in Christ by learning to live, learning to abide in Jesus 24/7 and finding freedom as a result of that. That's what this is all about, and we'll be talking about that more as we get into the workshops. Isn't that beautiful? All right, I'm going to walk back down this big hill. We'll catch you later. See you in the workshop.